Hey guys, and today we're back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while since I posted one. I don't know if it's been a while. Can't even remember what my last one was about. But, so today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I just call it Build a Boat most of the time. And some of you may just think, oh, he's just going to spawn a boat. Well, I have boats. But no, I'm not spawning a boat, okay? I'm building my own boat out of some really strong blocks. Now, earlier some guy named Newbury let me on his boat and it could fly. But I don't know what was happening with that, so. And y'all don't say, why'd you build a square boat? You have more chance of surviving if you build a pirate ship. Well, yeah, I probably have enough materials for a pirate ship, although it would look really ugly. And I'm building out of, like, the second strongest block in the game. Gold is what the Newbury guy told me. I thought this was. Okay, well. Yeah, but if you haven't seen Jake's new YouTube video, you need to go look at it right now because it's really good. Also, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Also, do that to Jake's the Man, Tiffany the Ninja, and Riley Games. And I don't even know what I said because I'm talking too fast. Turn on post notifications, subscribe, and like. And well, nothing else to say. Sorry if there's some noise in the background, if it's a little glitchy because I don't have a microphone, because I'm playing on a phone, so. It might be a little glitchy. Okay, how am I gonna finish this? Like, I won't have enough black marble. Maybe I'll have to. Oh, I know what to do. Use the rest of the black marble on this. Or no. If I'm gonna run out of black marble, I should use it for something worth using it on. Too bad I can't save this boat because my slots are full. I'll have to buy another slot for 100, not 51. But you only get this kind of brick from like legendary chests and stuff. So that's where I got it from. It's I'll show you. 405 gold. No, I'm gonna buy one of these. I wanna get some wood. See, I got a piece of wood. And I got that. You have more likely chance of getting wood out of that. Yeah, I have two of these blocks because I completed it earlier, but 81. Okay, I'm going to use this as my flooring. I'll use white marble for the walls. Oh, no, actually, I'll use steel. Steel's strong. I can probably make it to the end. If I make it to the end, like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. If I don't, still like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Same thing every time. It's been a long time since I filmed a YouTube video. I don't even know how long it's been. Yeah, I might have just posted one recently. I'm not sure. Feels like a long time. Thanks for all the subscriber guys too. In like February and March, I was still at like 11, and now I'm at 153 or 54. I can't remember. But thanks for all the subscribers, guys. What is happening? No. Every time I mess up on a block, I have to delete it. It gets annoying when you don't. There. Nope. See? I have to delete that. Why are you doing it? It's like I have to click on it like 40 times just to delete one little block. I don't even know if I'll have enough for the floor. Like, this took up a lot. it's probably gonna look bad. Ew, then it don't. It won't. This video is gonna end up being like an hour because of building my boat. Maybe I'll have enough. I still have 30. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that'll be 9 blocks across. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's either 8 or 9 across. So okay, I don't think I'll have enough. Maybe I could build a spot without it or something. Also, I'm gonna make some more YouTube videos on my other channels. I just haven't had really any time to make YouTube videos, but oh, we have 16. Oh, we have 12 now. I don't think we have enough. Oh, this is bad. I can just use like white marble or something for the floor. Maybe next time I get a epic chest, I'll get even more brick. I've only bought 2 on my account. I used to play on a William Volcano account. I didn't always play on this account. I just named my YouTube channel this because it used to be Root Topping Gaming. Now it's just Root Topping because it's not just gaming. I do other stuff. Okay, yeah, see, it was perfectly random. I'll use these blue blocks. They look pretty cool. Wait, I want to use something that's more secure, actually. The boat's gonna break in half if I use these. So let's use something that's more like... See this stuff. This is white marble. I have to put it there to do that. It makes sense to me. It probably doesn't make sense to me, but it's okay. I've played this game for a long, long time, even though I'm not that good at it. I've played it for a long time. It's like I have to do it like 4 times to delete 1 block. Okay, now I have to delete both of them. Why does it always do it like that? Okay, now we're gonna use this 120 steel or whatever this is. I think it's steel. I sound like baseball. I sound like one of my coaches, like steel. And then I'd like dive right into the bag, and I'm like, why did you dive? You could have made it all the way third. And I was like, well, you said to steal, and most of the time when you say steal, it's just get down. Also, I made a baseball video before. I'm a really big baseball fan, but I like the Yankees. Even though they're not doing so great. Yes. Okay, don't mess up another ball. Okay, I don't care about that ball. I know what I should do. I shouldn't put walls. I should just put like something else. I don't know. I think I have 97 left. Why was it showing deleting all that? Like I already built all that. Why would that be deleted? I didn't click on it. Okay. 79. When did I get down that low? Okay. I think I'll just use it till I run out. been wanting to make a build a boat for treasure video for a long time. I think I can at least go this layer, the rest of this layer, and then another layer. I don't know, but if I can't, the boat's probably gonna end up looking pretty ugly. Ah! Don't mess up on another. You messed up, but then I can just do that. I can probably make it one more row, or maybe two. I don't know. Oh, that one's still at 1. Okay, now I know. I don't know if I can. I have to build 2 on that one because I haven't turned around and done it. Like, now I look at it and I'm like, crap, I never did that one. Oh, I have 18. I don't think I can do the rest of it with that. Oh, I may not be able to do it. I know what I can do. I'll show you. See, it's still kind of low. So I can use this. It'll still look kind of good. You have to make the walls even taller than this. This boat is kind of tiny too, so it's going to be complicated. I mean, it's not tiny. It's just not that big. I've had bigger boats. Building this boat is going to take like 20 minutes, and then surviving is going to be like 20 minutes, so it's going to be like an hour, 40 minutes to an hour video long. Wait, why did you do that? What? What did you do? I just want to delete this block. I'm gonna die. There. It's like some sort of glitch with this game or something. It's annoying. What? I don't even have enough? I didn't know how much black or white marble I had. Thought I had enough. See, now I have to build another layer higher on that one. You know what? I just want to use the black marble for the rest. I know what I can use. Now scroll down, scroll down. Where's all my stone? Stone will hold it up. At 67. I think I need a roof, but I don't really want one. I know what I can do. I can put like some blocks over it. But if there's that stage that with the hammers that flips you over, I'm gonna be really mad. Okay, yes, I think I can just do this. Look, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I think I've done this before. Maybe I haven't, I don't know. Okay. Now you build across. Yes, it's finally working. See, I knew what I was doing. Except for some of this. I might not know what I'm doing on some of this. Taking so long. You gotta place it right in the middle, or it doesn't place right. Okay, I'm about to run out of stone. I don't even think I have any other kind of block to use. No, I probably do, but I don't know. Yep, I'm out of stone. Oh, I can use this, whatever this is. It looks like clay, but I don't know what it is. Okay, you know what? I'll leave it there. Look, it looks fine. Okay, I kind of didn't know what I was doing on this part, but it looks fine. hold it up. It's just a few details that have to be done. Hopefully I'm recording this video. Hopefully it just didn't. Like, hopefully it recorded. I said hopefully it didn't. I was like, no. It has to record. Okay. I'm going to put some extra protection. It's kind of gross, but it helps. Okay, we're just gonna put that much. Okay, it looks fine. Looks fine. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna check and see if the video's actually recording. Okay, the video's recording. Taking a long time. Okay, I need to put my chair down, and I'm not using a regular chair. Where's my throne? If I did a wood only challenge, I would get stomped by 5 thrones? I didn't know I had that many. I thought I had 2 the other day. Get in your chair. Okay, I'm in. Let's go. Okay, did we launch? Oh, yeah. I was like, what happened? We should have launched. Okay. Sorry about my voice. It's a little scratchy. I just woke up. Okay, because it's like 12 o'clock. No, I don't think it's that late yet. It's not even late. Bad thing is if the boat tips the ceiling, if I lost my chair, I would just fall right out. Okay, this is not working. Okay. Wait, what is my phone battery at? 54, that should probably last for at least this video. We're only on the second stage. These are easy levels. Like, they're easy. And my stuff is already getting demolished. I don't think the black marble's getting demolished that easy, though. Why's my voice off? I'm just gonna go to firemerch.com and buy everything. I forgot what it's called. I think it's firemerch.com because I watch all of Preston Plays videos. Okay, why did I put my chair so far over there? See, I need to put it over there because that's where all the damage is being taken. Okay, it's being taken at the front now. So that's a good thing. Oh wait, no, it's a little, yeah, it's kind of like that now. Oh, what is that? Okay, what is this? Maybe we'll make it to the end. At least the last stage would be good. Because I think, according to my calculations, I would be at 126 if I made it to at least the last stage, halfway through the last stage, because I would get 80 coins. Okay. What is this? place is weird. Oh, at least there's not a ninja level. The ninja levels are awful. Hey, but what's that level on the first of that? I know my character doesn't always look like this. See, I'm wearing fire merch. Wait, what? See, I'm wearing fire merch. What is happening? I don't even think I'm close to the end yet. I'm in the arcade, which is still the medium level, but it's the last one. So I think... Oh, what is that? I think the ceiling is disappearing. How is some of the black marble already gone? And why is part of the boat purple? Chips and tickets and pizza hurting me. Pizza. I thought pizza was my friend. I like pizza. Just painting the boat. Oh, I want to know what the stage is. Oh no. No. Why is it? Look, half the boat is gone. Well, not half of it. I don't even think it's a quarter. Well, maybe it's a quarter. Okay, the extra protection, I don't even know if it's gone. Oh, yeah, what am I doing? I could be standing up out of my chair. Okay, what does this stuff do? Hey, it doesn't kill me. I'm looking out my window, my beautiful window. Wait, can I literally jump out my window? Video taking a pause. I'm kidding. I didn't even put a door. I didn't even think to put a door. What was that? Oh my god. No, 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 no. Okay. What's that? Oh, I lost my chair. No. Yeah, I think it would be better to stand on the brick and not on the white marble. My health is about to be gone. Well, it's adding back up, but it'll probably be gone. Okay, I think I need to probably stand over here. Oh, is this like the radioactive levels or something? Okay, I'm on the third level. Third one. I don't even have a chair. Everything turned purple. I want to zoom out. Okay, we're on the third level. Oh, look at the ceiling. Bad. Strong floor. Oh, that is not good. I'm probably gonna get blown up on this stage. Wait, no, I'm almost to the end. Why is it glitching? Oh gosh, I need to stand over here now. No! I'm gonna get blown up. Wait, why am I just glitching through all of them? Like, how am I just glitching through them all? Yeah, what is that gas? Okay, if I still have my chairs, it would be a lot better. It's like I'm glitching through all of them. Okay, I'm not going out of first person because I'll die if I do. Okay, this boat is stronger than I thought. It appears to be way stronger than I thought it was. Oh, The game is glitching, so I don't know if I'm gonna fall out of this boat or not. Oh gosh. No, I died! No! I was almost to the end, guys. Well, let's see how much coins I got. 80. Okay, that's what I thought. Let's see if I'm at 126. Yep, 126. I'm just gonna buy a bunch of these. I want wood. You always get wood from them. No, I want to buy a few rare ones. 4 stone. That means I'm at 71 stone now. 2 marble block. That looks like a camera. What is it? A chair. That's probably all. No, some other sand dish block. A blue block. Yes, I love those. 3 stone. 74 stone. I have so many of those things. What are you even using for? Ooh, anvils. 2 white marble. I think that's a white marble thingy. That was like poles or something. Sand dish block. Ooh, another blue block. Balloons. And that's all. Wait. I'm going to buy some of these. You always get something that's wood from it. 2 rusty block. A pinkish purple block. 1 clayish block. And an anvil. Is that all? Please get a piece of wood. I get that thing like every time. But I want. Yes, I got a piece of wood and a wooden chair. Okay, I'll take it. Wait, I want to spawn this cool boat real quick so I can show you. Maybe I'll do a part 2 of build a boat or something. If this video gets to at least 25 views and 5 likes. I don't know about the likes thing. Maybe just the views. Okay, let's see. I was gonna spawn a boat, but it glitches a lot, so I don't... Oh, I know what happened. No, now I lost that other boat. Oh, gosh. Wait, this boat's cool. Okay. Maybe I'll do part 2 in this boat. Or I kind of want to build a boat, but it doesn't have a door. You go up the ladder, but you can technically just hop on this and that and there. Then you fall in, and then you can get a chair. So, it's pretty cool. Well, I can't do this inside the boat. I have to do it outside. If I can even get outside the boat. Okay, well, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!